In this social media video, I'm going to tell you all about Amazon's new social media platform, Amazon Posts, and whether you should be using this new marketing initiative from Amazon to maybe get some free traffic to your listings. Stay tuned. All right, so what is Amazon Posts? Amazon Posts is basically Amazon's new social media initiative that's going to hopefully allow brands to focus their marketing efforts not on Facebook, not on Instagram, not on Twitter, but on Amazon itself. So in a nutshell, Amazon Posts allows you to share social media content, i.e. pictures, about your brand on Amazon itself. Now for many products, especially ones that are brand heavy like fashion and clothing items, branding is very, very important. And a big part of that branding is for customers and that brand itself to share different photos about its products and people using its products. So for these types of products, being able to view different photos of these products can actually sway the consumer's potential to buy the product quite heavily. Now that's great, you say, okay, I can share photos of my products with Amazon customers. Now why should you be using this? Well, there's two reasons why you should be using Amazon Posts. The first reason is because of placement. Now these posts, these pictures that you're sharing, are most predominantly going to be shared on your listings itself. And most predominantly, at least right now, these photos are going to be shown on mobile primarily, not generally on desktop. Now that could change and it probably will, but right now it's very mobile dependent. And if a customer scrolls all the way to the bottom of a page, and that's where your posts are typically going to be displayed, if they've gotten that far, chances are they're not that committed to your product, and the good chance is that they're going to click away. So at that point, at least you give them an opportunity to click through to more of your media, and hopefully through that media, you can convince them to buy your product. And reason number two to use posts, and this follows in that placement line of thought that I just mentioned here, is that your products have a potential to be actually shown on your competitors' products. And that's really what we all want, isn't it? To get free advertising on your competitors' products. So potentially your photos can be shared at the bottom of your competitors' products themselves. And if you can get that to occur, that's great. That's free traffic. And by the way, Amazon Posts right now is free. Now with that being said, there's a big caveat that typically your posts are not actually shown on competitors' pages. Predominantly they're shown on your own product listing pages. Now the good thing about Amazon Posts is that right now you can get quite a few free clicks for your products. Now do these clicks actually convert? We're not sure because you can't actually track conversions after the fact after customers click the photos. But I'm going to log into my account here real quick and show you some of the traffic that we're getting to our media that we've shared for my off-roading brand. So I've clicked through here to my profile. We only have one brand. If you had multiple brands, then you can manage the brand profiles of these multiple brands. So all your brands are going to be shown here. And being in brand registry is one of the preconditions to using Amazon Posts, like many of Amazon's marketing initiatives are. So I'm just going to click through here to manage posts. And on this page, you can see all of the different media that we've shared for our products. And you can see that a lot of these pictures are getting a lot of impressions and a lot of clicks. Look at this one right here. Almost 4,000 impressions, 73 clicks for basically a 2% click-through ratio. Now, this is only for the year to date, and as I'm recording this video, we're basically about a month into 2020. Now, what types of things should you be sharing on your Amazon Posts social media page? Well, I'll pull up one of our pictures that we've shared here. And this was a photo that a customer submitted. It's a fantastic photo. And all we basically did was upload this photo and include a nice little caption, "Love this off-roading gear" on it. Now, this adds social proof to your products, and it really helps to convince the customer to buy your product. If other customers are buying your products and other customers love your products, well, hey, maybe they'll buy it and love it as well. So to create posts for your social media page on Amazon Posts, all you do is once you've accepted the terms and conditions of being enrolled in Amazon Posts, and to do that, you just go to posts.amazon.com, log in with your Seller Central information, read through some terms and conditions, and you'll be in the program. After you've done that, you just go to this page here and you click Create Post. And from here, all you're going to do is you're going to upload pictures of your products or people using your products, and then you're going to write a cute little caption for it. Something that hopefully convinces the customer to buy your product. And along with that, you're also going to associate an ASIN with that picture. So basically that ASIN is going to tell Amazon that, hey, for this photo, show it on these ASINs. And that's kind of the rub right there. Because Amazon's asking for your ASINs, you kind of know that they're showing them predominantly on your ASIN pages, not your competitors. But with that being said, there is a potential for your products to be shown on your competitor pages, and that little glimmer of hope is sometimes enough to convince us to do crazy things like try Amazon Posts. Now, what type of content should you be sharing with Amazon Posts? Well, the big one, like I mentioned, is customer photos. If you have customers submitting photos to your brand, then share those by all means. This is great customer content that you can share with your Amazon Post page. And again, it's a little bit of social proof for your brand. The other thing you can do is just include more photos that you've taken of your products. Now, hopefully these are lifestyle images and not photos taken with your iPhone of your product sitting on a cardboard box. So hopefully they're nice lifestyle photos, and hopefully you have more than 9 of these, so you can kind of go beyond what you're allowed to share on Amazon listing pages themselves and kind of expand on your selection of product photos through Amazon Posts. And finally, basically just share anything with Amazon Posts. Just get any type of photography that you have available for your products, people using your products just in use, and share that with Amazon Posts. So that's a summary of Amazon Posts. We've been using it a lot in our company in the last 2 or 3 months. Is it working? Is it not? Don't really know, because as with everything Amazon, the tracking is not really that granular. But we can see that there's a lot of clicks being generated, a lot of impressions being generated, and hey, it's free, so there's not a whole lot to lose. So what do you think? Is Amazon Posts here to stay, or is it going to be the next Google Plus and go the way of the dodo bird? Let me know in the comment section below. Happy selling.